what is best tafsir of the Quran? The best tafsir of the Quran is you read the Quran first. Let me explain to you. Your tafsir is the best tafsir. How is that? That first of all you read the Quran in Arabic properly. Then you read the translation of the Quran as many times as you can till you understand the verse properly. Then you take the explanation from Tafsir ibn Kathir or any English translation available where they have the commentary given at the bottom. And there is a best tafsir for the beginners is Tafsirul Jalalain. MashaAllah, it's simple and it is also simple in English translation, though the Tafsir Jalalain is in Arabic, but it is translated in Urdu and English as well. So that will give you a brief, understanding of why this ayah was revealed. And the fourth is that you should know from that what message you receive from it. And the fifth is you have to apply it in your life. So that's the best tafsir of the Quran. There are people who read the tafsir of the Quran just to understand it, they don't want to practice it, just to prepare for the lectures, they want to just deliver it and they don't apply in their life. So this is not tafsir. The best tafsir of the Quran is, as I said, general understanding. Tafsir ibn Kathir is good tafsir, and that is in English translated version. I'm saying there are many good tafsirs in Arabic, mashallah, but so far what is available in English translation is Tafsir ibn Kathir, and there are many good tafasir available. Even the tafsir of Abdul Maududi rahmatullah alayh is also Tafhimul Quran translated in English, and also it is originally in Urdu, and there are many other tafasir. But first of all you have to know the Arabic and its translation, and then you can go for the tafsir. If someone